All right, shout out to Devin and Eric here at the South Saw. They were the first ones to create Kamishibai boards in our company. They weren't waiting for me to go get the fancy Fat American manufacturing boards. They just got started, and here's their updated board. They have things like calibrate or inspect and fix skate wheels, grease different various parts of their machine. Great way to keep track of that kind of stuff. And now in the warehouse, we can see a couple more examples of using that board for 3S activities and things like blowing out the radiator on your fork truck or greasing the zerks on your fork truck, cleaning and greasing the master. A great way to keep track of those things that are easily forgotten and fall through the cracks. Here, another example in the back of the warehouse of just where we need to sweep, when we need to sweep. And then in the small parts area, they also have all of their 3S activities that they need to do for the week. And then a great example here, Kayla, our shipping and receiving clerk in the gatehouse, has turned all of hers into GembaDocs, even when she needs to get them done. And she has her SOPs QR code right there above it. So a great example of where we're going.
Hey everyone, I want to show you this new task board that we have. It is very important that some of these tasks get done, right? Watering the microgreens, checking EC and pH. So what we've done is, this isn't my design originally, one of my friends made it, shout out Nick, but we've got these cards and they're red on one side and green on the other. So when the task is done, when we water the microgreens, this is everyday task, when we water the microgreens, we flip this up. So now everyone knows that has been done for the day. On harvest day, we do all these tasks. These get flipped up. On delivery day, we have some more tasks. And you see some of these are covered up because I don't want those public info. But what happens when you scan these QR codes, it takes you to an SOP that shows you exactly how to do the task. So there's no questions. A new person can step right in here and just do a fantastic job. One really cool thing, we use this app called GembaDocs to print out these red and green cards. And that's the same app we use to make the SOP. But some of these that have this little icon on them, that means that you have to scan these every day. And you have to go through the task step by step. And if the task doesn't get completed and it doesn't get signed off on these two specifically with this little map pin icon, then everyone gets an email that the task did not get done. So what we've done here is this yellow one, it's the last task that ever gets done. And it makes sure that everything in that task, we have making sure everything gets done, and then it's flipping all the cards back from green to red. So on Saturday, these will all get flipped back, at the end of the year, at the end of the month. That's how we do that. So yeah, super fantastic, making sure things get done, keeping things visual. And this is so fun to use. Flipping these up and down it's just a lot of fun. It's really satisfying. We used to use Microsoft to do this, but the lists were just getting big, convoluted, and there's obvious advantages here. It's visual, it's not hidden away on an app somewhere, and you have the SOP right there. You can just scan it and follow the task perfectly. You don't have to burden your mind down remembering all the minutia of these tasks. It frees up your mind to be creative. That is what SOPs do, and that is what standardized processes do. Free up your brain to be creative. All right, thank you very much.
Thanks, Tom. Really appreciate it. It's been an absolute game changer for our business. And to anyone in this group who's practicing lean and call themselves lean maniacs, which we all are, as we know, and you're not using GembaDocs, get it. Because a year ago, I thought we could get through just using Excel spreadsheets and taking photos and copying and pasting them on. But as soon as you get the GembaDocs app working, everyone on the team is on board, and just shows how fast things move forward with it. So I'd highly, highly recommend it. And no, this is not sponsored. So it is just a true game changer. So anyone that hasn't got it, get it, sign up quickly. There's a free trial on the website, I believe, Tom, and I'd highly, highly recommend it. And if you've want to see it in action or see how it's working, feel free to reach out directly to me, and I'm happy to run you through a video or a Zoom call on how it works. But it is an absolute must. Thanks for all the effort you put into it, Tom. It's amazing, you and your team.